Good job, Narquise. You're holding it. Good job. Good morning, guys. Okay, so it's not morning. I'm just gonna, every morning, you guys, I say that. I always say good morning, whether it's morning or not. Whatever. So, kitchen, dining room table's a mess. But Narquise, Piper, and Zoe are all downstairs playing together. And I'm like, it's a miracle. Like, usually one of them is like a kind of, I don't want to say excluded, but one of them is kind of not really wanting to play what the others are playing, or one of them's fussing, or they're fighting, but they're all getting along and they're playing nicely together. So I'm just like, oh. Anyway, so yeah, I have a lot that I should be doing today. I have a lot of housework. I've got a lot of chores, cleaning, just normal things. But you know what? Sometimes other things are more important. Sometimes rest and relaxation is important, and sometimes spending time with your family is more important. So my husband is out on a motorcycle ride right now, but when he gets back, we're gonna go to lunch, and then we're going to go see Finding Dory. So that should be fun. Okay, so kids are dressed. My hair is still slightly damp, and we're just waiting on Daddy to get home, and I still have to fix the girls' hair, but other than that, we're pretty much ready. Okay guys, so we are loaded up and we are on our way to see Finding Dory. It's a little bit later of a movie than we originally planned.
My fault.
That's okay. So my husband was out doing like his normal like weekend ride that he likes to do sometimes, and he found his bike found a puddle of oil. Yep. Yeah, he found a bunch of oil. He slipped, bike tipped over, and has a nice gnarly scratch on the side of it.
It's character.
Well, that's character, he says. He was only going 5 miles an hour when it happened though. He was in a parking lot, no worries, but still it stinks that his brand new bike got scraped up a little bit, but that just comes with the territory of
and parts for it are everywhere, so I'm not worried about it too terribly much.
Yeah,
they're cheap.
That's true. Anyway, we're gonna grab some food and we're gonna see Finding Dory. I got tickets, but I'm a little bummed at like the seating arrangements in this particular movie theater because we have to be separated. Like, I got them as close as I possibly could, but like we have the wheelchair seat and then the wheelchair companion seat in the front, and then I got 4 like behind it, like in the row behind it. So I think what we're gonna do is Asa and I halfway through the movie, or at some point, we'll just swap out, and that way we each get to sit with all the kids. So stinky, but you know, when you've got 2 kids in chairs, it's just hard. You can't find.
Everybody's gonna be in a chair.
You know what I mean? Like they just don't have the right seating available for a family of 6 with 2 children in wheelchairs. So anyway,
whoa, I see it better.
Off we go.
Alright, let's try a different one then. Did you see a horse?
No, I didn't see a horse. It's looking at her. Is it trying to bite you? No. What's it doing? It's just looking at me. Yeah, it did that to me too. It was like...
Does the screen say something?
Yes.
A little white text?
Mm-hmm.
Happy to start it over.
Will you stop doing that? Where are you going? Hey, hey! He's standing. Who's that tall?
She must not have seen that before at all.
You see its footprint?
Sit. Sit.
Where is he going?
Well, follow him. Did he go behind you?
Yeah.
Turn around.
Look behind you.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna try keys with the what did you say it's called? The G
Come on.
Gear VR. The Gear VR.
There.
All right. Good job, buddy.
I'm going to listen.
Give me a high five.
I found a little.
On a block.
Lobo!
Whoa!
Hey.
You made lunch over there.
Yeah,
So you made it.
I did.
Fall asleep?
I did, and my alarm didn't wake me up.
Uh-oh.
So,
You must
Even-
be very tired.
yeah, I rolled
Even
a little bit before I sent
ready
you
to
the
do
message,
it?
rolled over
Yeah.
and saw that it was 1. I was like, well, that's not when I was supposed to wake up.
Send me a message.
I did.
and then
yeah.
I can see the we have that
Of course,
now.
it's for
And there's
paper
also
gets
some
to
and then the other thing.
Narkies, I don't think it's.
Rolled over on my computer.
There's no
Saw them
purple.
talking about it was 107. I was like,
He looks so cute. Look at his mouth.
Be that early in the morning.
It's like.
He does see stuff on.
It doesn't work.
Yes.
Here, let me tighten it.
Is it gonna scare him being sexually deprived?
It's going to scare you.
Let me see if it's still, let me make sure it's still going.
What'd you see, Narkies?
Dinosaur? The saw?
VR.
You saw the sore?
Yeah.
Piper was fun. He
Ma-
for a dinosaur for her. And she's
Is
like,
it scary? He's licking you.
Not yet, Piper.
and he was kicking at it.
He's licking you.
What's he looking at?
He's
The dinosaur's
looking at
just now
you.
waking
The
up.
saw.
There's a dinosaur.
He's out. Kick him. Then he'll go away.
Don't kick him.
A lot of YouTubers in their first video.
Look at him moving his head. He's so cute.
Like, scary game, they will try and cover
Good
it up.
job, buddy.
Because there's another couple inches of thing there, so they end up just slapping
Oh,
themselves
it's just
in
a
the face
pop
with
pop.
I played one just a little bit ago about a guy that was washing it and he tried to cover up his
So look at him. He's...
I'm scared to look behind me.
Good job, buddy. What do you see?
Oh, it's a soup. Rock.
You see the rock?
Yeah.
What now? You see the dinosaur?
His visual acuity is a lot better than they say it is because he's
Yes,
actually
it is.
tracking it. As I move the chair, he's tracking the object with his head.
Look at he fixed it too.
The
Good
next
job,
soup
buddy.
is me.
How much your mama doing?
Oh. He had to grab a hold of something that's coming at him.
Yep, yep.
What's it doing, buddy?
All the way back to the chair now, too.
You see it?
It's so funny.
Is that cool?
Cool. Lava.
In water.
Look at that. What's happening? What's happening? Let's see it.
It's the set works.
Hey guys, okay, so I am super yellow. I know it's my bathroom lighting that is super old and outdated. So I look a little bit green and a little bit yellow, but that's okay. So happy 4th of July. So we just had lunch at my mother-in-law's house. Oh, it's the lighting's starting to get a little bit better. We just had lunch at my mother-in-law's house. And now we're getting ready to go over to my father-in-law's house for dinner. So definitely a very packed day, but we made sure to give ourselves a couple hours of leeway time between each so we could come home and let the dog out and kind of run him around a little bit and kind of unwind. So yeah, I just washed off all of my makeup and I'm about to curl my hair a little bit and reapply makeup. Usually if I put on makeup early in the morning, about midday, I find I need to just wash it all off and reapply it because it just doesn't look good anymore, or it's got spots that just don't look good, and touching it up fails me. So I'm just gonna totally redo my makeup. The kids are already dressed and ready, so no big deal there. We just literally have to go. So anyway, that's our day, and I'm just hanging out in our bathroom. My nose is super stopped up too, you guys. Anyway, I'm going to curl my hair and yeah. Okay, I am done with my makeup, I'm done with my hair. Y'all, I don't know why I bother, to be honest, because this curl will be gone by the time I get to the in-laws house. But at least maybe it'll have a little bit of wave to it, right? Like maybe it, I don't know, maybe it'll stay a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I've got to get the kids loaded up in the car and
Zoe, turn around.
No. Keep coming.
Face this way.
Oh, well.
Okay. Well, you almost got it.